Like a Dolores accent.
You know,
Oh.
I caught that. Anyways, this is our little monster.
Son.
Yes, son. Severus. Or Sev. Or Sevy. Whichever one. No! Come back out! Ugh. Come here.
Phone. It's ringing.
Oh. Right now he's not being all spastic, as he usually is.
That's good or bad?
I don't know. But I want to see him all spazzy. Oh no. Oh, come here.
I hear a little sound, so it's pretty adorable. Just don't make that sound, dude. No.
What, you don't want to play with him?
I do, it was just sudden.
Earlier he was like romping around.
He was pretty adorable.
Jumping for no reason. Oh!
No! Get back here!
Don't yell at him.
I wasn't yelling. It would be louder if I was yelling.
Oh no.
I hate yelling.
Where'd he go? Oh, I see a little head.
No.
Oh, it's coming out. Come here.
I like how he jumps.
I do too. It's pretty cute. Ugh. It's about 3 months. And the other one, she's two.
What? I didn't.
We're planning on clipping his nails, and they can't find any clippers, because the ones I got are kind of crappy and suck.
Oh, nice wallet.
Oh, thanks. Come here. Come here. Come here, little boy. What's with you, little boy?
No! I just have an obsession with them.
He's always getting into this little spastic mood.
I want to see his war dance.
It's adorable.
He's adorable, so I could only imagine it more so.
Why do you keep going over there? What's over there?
Stuffed animals? And a big white pillow? Ow.
Aww.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Aww.
That was adorable. Oh no.
What are you doing?
Probably playing with the big tag.
Probably. Yeah. Come here.
My father wanted them to get one of those things that I got.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. He lunged for me. It's so cute.
Oh no.
Oh, don't go under there. We want to see you. It's okay. He'll come back out. See his little tail.
It's adorable. A bull. You'll find them. Oh my god, my hand.
Well.
No, don't attack me.
So.